I've seen you some before. Hello.
Right, so today we are taking Ray to get his ears tested because he says there's nothing wrong with his hearing.
No, well, the only thing wrong with my hearing is when she wants to borrow a fiver.
Yeah, and I
can't hear her.
I think he doesn't listen very well. He didn't want to wear a hat today. Didn't have his cardigan today, and it's definitely going to probably rain. He hates hats, he says, and I love hats.
It ain't gonna rain.
So it's been raining all day, and he says, "Tain't gonna rain, tain't gonna rain." It's going to rain, Ray. Raymond, it's gonna rain. Anyway, so we're taking him to have his ears tested, and we'll come back with the results to let you know how he gets on.
Yeah.
Please turn left in 400 yards onto the A20.
I'm gonna have my brain setting, putting out with her. Hello, dear.
Yeah. Well, anyway, I think it's good to get, because you drive, it's good to give me the benefit of the doubt. If they say your hearing is okay, then I definitely know you've got selective hearing, and I'm not going to repeat
now turn
myself.
left onto the A20.
I can hear you nagging.
Yeah, nagging for your best interest.
I don't know what's up with the long hairs one. Blue in traffic.
What did I say about the carpet? Get the carpet up. You didn't want to get the carpet up, and when you got the carpet up, you were very happy with it, weren't you? So there you go.
Oh, they ain't very busy.
Please keep right in 300 yards and continue to follow the road.
That's better. Right, okay, so...
That's better, Janice. So... let her go, we can.
Yeah. Right, okay, so... We're back.
We're back.
We went and had Ray's ears tested, but he needs to remove the wax.
But she didn't do her job properly when she gave me a shower. So
You're not supposed to put water in your ears. You're not supposed to put water in your ears, Ray. So we got to go back. I bet you Ray's pleased, and that is what's making there's probably nothing wrong with your hearing after all. It's just the wax.
Well, that's what I said.
He's got more wax than Madame Tussaud.
That's it.
Hey, Ray.
Yeah.
Oh, anyone want the candles? New candles? Ray's got plenty there.
Yeah.
91 years of wax, eh, Ray?
That's it.
Yeah.
Barry Boom.
Yeah, Barry Boom.
Barry Boom, look at him.
Barry Boom. So we're stopping off now. We're going to have a McFlurry for Ray, and I'm going to have an apple pie. Then we're going to go to the car wash and just make a day of it, because
that's it.
After waiting all this time to go for the man to put his little stethoscope in his ear to look on the screen at beeswax.
Beeswax?
Beeswax.
Got some bees in my ear.
God knows what's going to come out.
An idea.
God knows what's going to come out when we have a good old clean of those lugs.
Yeah.
It's going to be good though. You're going to feel much better for it.
We have to book in the nurse for that.
Yeah, well, it's going to be good. You're going to feel much better for it, aren't you?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I've had it done.
You've had it done before?
I had it done several times.
All right, well that's all right.
You have to go upstairs. Yeah. See the nurse.
Okay. Well, that's good. I'm pleased I'm pleased that I persisted with that.
That's
again.
it.
And we sort that out for you. There you go. Back in a bit. Right, so we're just waiting for our McFlurry. We ended up with 3 McFlurries and 1 apple pie. Now there's no apple pies, and we're just waiting. Today's been really good, isn't it, Ray?
God, not much.
Today's been really good. So McDonald's have messed up our order again. So we'll have 1 Malteser, 1 Smartie, and then take the other ones off. Do you need to put my card through and then? Oh, okay. It's a long way to Tipperary. It's a long way.
The Smarties Flurry costs the same as the Malteser.
Yeah.
So you just keep the 2 Maltesers, but I'll let them know that you want a Smarties one, okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
You just want to tap your card Hold on. Thank you. Right, if you want to head down to the next window, and
Yeah.
that's all.
And he'll give me the receipt for both then, yeah? Yeah. That's lovely, thank you. Alright, okay. So there we go. And we'll have some barbecue sauce with that, please.
That's it.
Christ. That means we'll have 2 ice creams so far then, Ray.
Yeah.
After all that Magnum we had today, now this.
Lovely, wasn't
Just so we can sit in the car wash and eat something.
it? Yeah. It was lovely, that Magnum, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was good, wasn't it?
What the hell? Now, what is the queue there? Come on, old mate.
Love it. That's great. That's great, thank you. So I've got 2 of the receipts, have I? Yeah, I've got 2 of the receipts then, that's lovely. Hold on to that, Ray. That's lovely, thank you. Bye. Right, okay. So we're off now, going to go to the car wash, and hopefully the car wash is open, Ray, or else we'll be sat there. We'll just find somewhere nice to sit in the sunshine and eat our McFlurry.
Find somewhere else to lay.
Yeah,
No way to get in the what's name, I think.
I'll hold on to that. I'll hold on to that one. You can hold on to yours. You can have yours. That's it.
I think I'm waiting to get in the what's name, aren't they?
What's the name, Ray? No.
And there's drive-through.
No.
I'm sure they are.
It's a red light. If they were going, they would move it left, Ray. Why don't you keep that in there? You want to hold it like that?
Bloody woman.
I thought it'd be easy for you. It's not so cold then, is it? Hey, my little garden gnome.
Yes, darling. Lights are green. They ain't moving.
Lights, camera, action.
Hey? Well, overtake them then.
No, because he's not waiting. There's a police car in front of him.
Well, no, they moved.
No, because if they were going to the McDonald's, what would have happened?
Harry's. See, it's going, the police car.
Oh, right. So why don't they indicate if they're going into McDonald's, silly idiots? Why don't they indicate then and stop being penises? Oh, I forgot we're on. I forgot I'm recording.
I don't want it. I told you so before. Give it a go, give it a go, give it a go next door.
My old man's a dustman, he wears a dustman's cap.
He wears gold blimey trousers and he lives in the council flat.
If you had to come back on this planet as an animal, what would it be?
Hey? One of your little dogs.
One of my little dogs?
So you take me for a walk.
You think my dogs are lucky, don't you?
Your dogs
You love
are
my dogs, don't you?
Your dogs are lucky.
You think they're spoilt, don't you?
It's like you, Spot.
Spoilt.
And it is.
Right, let's hope the car wash is open. I'll be happy if it's open because my car needs a clean. Right, I'm back now.
You are.
We're going to have a car wash. Oh, I hate these
I was
things.
open then.
Yeah, they're open. We're going to have a quick express. Wait for this lady to move. I think she should be going to the car wash as well, really. Car's filthy. Here she is. She's your type of lady, isn't she, Ray? Got a little bubble hat. How cute is that? That's the one. All right, darling. In your own time. That's lovely. In you go. Miss Fabia. Looking forward to the car wash, Ray. I like car wash.
Well, I'm going to put you for it.
Put you through it, your
What?
ears.
Someone in there.
Right, so we're here at the car wash. Car wash. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Daddy needs the car wash, yeah. Come on and sing it with me, car wash.
That's a good job. That's a good job you never got this for the children.
Why?
Got nuts in it, mine is.
Nuts.
Yeah.
Yeah, but my grandkids like nuts.
Hey? They're alright, and allergic.
They're not allergic. They love me, I'm nutty.
I know you are.
Cold, isn't it?
I'm nutty. Must be nutty, put up with you.
You love it, really. Hey, it was a nice day out.
Hmm.
Had a look at your wax and your ears. That was fun. Hey,
There's a car in front of him then.
they're not clean.
Must be.
He's having a clean. I must admit though, when we do go out, it's always nice and sunny, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look, heavens are smiling on us, Ray.
We get the calf. We get the old calves and that. We'll you'd love maggots. But young trouble is you've got to book up.
You've
Thank-
taken me there, haven't you, once?
No,
Oh,
not
is that a different
maggots.
one? Oh, right, okay. Why can't I take you somewhere where you've never been, Ray?
Up your mum's. Never been up there.
I'll take you somewhere really nice. Have you been to Chilston Manor?
No.
You like it then? You'd have to dress up though. You have to dress nice and smartly. Raymondo.
Yeah.
Oh, babe.
Eat it too hard.
Hmm?
I'm eating it too fast.
You got brain freeze.
Hmm.
Oh. Oh, Raymond. Oh, yeah. Oh, too funny. Take your time and go in the car wash. That is for us to eat in the car wash.
Hey?
It was for us to eat in the car wash.
Hmm.
Oh, fucking hilarious. I'm going to put your window down so that the car wash can clean your ears.
That's it.
You
Cars.
don't even want a car.
Hey?
You don't even want a car. You got a car.
No, I say, how about then see if yours is sold?
What do you want to see if mine's sold for?
See how much they want for it.
You could go online and see that, Ray. If you had the internet.
Come on, Jack.
What are you in a rush going?
I ain't in a rush.
You just said, come on, Jan.
I said, come on, James.
Come on, James. Who's James?
Works out there.
Who's James?
Jamie.
You leave Jamie to let him get on with his work. Where's the container, holder?
He's sitting in his office drinking tea, I bet.
He's playing on his computer.
That's what he's doing.
Right, so what I'm going to do, you see over there, there's a bin.
Where's the bin?
Over there. I'm going to put this in that bin.
Cool. Can I put this in your bin?
No, you can shut up.
Eh?
You can shut up and behave. Right.
Yeah,
Right, minute.
that's one like yours, isn't it? Here.
Yeah, no.
Shut the door. Now where the fucking hell are you going? Fucking arsehole. Fucking. Go. Come on, hurry up. Go. Come on, Janice.
Yeah, that's better. Right, a bit. Okay.
I like you when you walk, your bum wobbles.
Yeah, I'm a diva.
Yeah.
Look how puffy this coat is. It makes me look really fat.
Hey?
This coat makes me. I'm wearing this under it. I'm wearing this.
God Christ.
I'm wearing this, and this makes me with my fur chest. Then I got this on.
Oh, you think it was bloody winter?
Makes me look really fat.
Hey?
It is winter.
God, bloody hell.
And on that note, wish me luck as you wave us goodbye. Cheerio as we go on our way.
Go.
Bye, everyone.
Oh, your bum keeps going. Yeah.